Michelle B. Ramos, graduated of BS Accountancy at National University. If you are looking for a trustworthy assistant accountant who will help you to fix your financial statement or anything about your business, I think I'm suited in that position. Young, energetic, trustworthy, industrious, and with excellent understanding about accounting principles cited, function and terminologies, consider the contribution to every possible manner, and continuously learn from experience to help myself and this organization. I have no experience about this job, but I will do my best to learn more and study about this position with my goal and help this company. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will accept my application. Thank you.